Welcome back to the 9 o'clock news. Now, this is the man who's perhaps Bollywood's most wanted. After Dabangg, Salman Khan is all set for his next big release, which is simply called Ready. It's already being pitched as the next big blockbuster of the year, and we're joined by Salman Khan on the show tonight. It's great to have you on the program, Salman. Do you think you're on the threshold of another blockbuster with Ready?
Yeah, from the reaction so far and from the collections that I've been told, it's I just heard just now that it's I think 50% more than the advance is more than Dabangg's advance, which is a huge jump. But it's the audience is going to decide on a Friday whether the film is going to be a big hit or not.
And I mean, do you read people's minds? Do you understand what people want to see, their pulse? Because you are being called the king of blockbusters now.
No, I don't. I am the king of big disasters also. So you know, it depends on the script and the people you're working with and how they promote the film and how interested they are in making the movie. There's also a luck factor, destiny factor, which comes in. Most important is the reason why you've done the film. If you just done the film just because you had to do the film and you couldn't get out of it, or you had dates, or you're just going through this one phase and you say, "Okay, chalo, ye khatam karo," or for the money or greed or senior, producer, director, or friend, whatever the reason is, all reasons are all wrong. The reason has to be that you're working with a good team and the script is fantastic.
Well, you're playing down your own contribution, but you are currently the #1 star in Bollywood.
I'm not sitting on
You're just
the
being humble.
Himalaya. Even people who've gone to the Himalaya just jhanda and they've come down, and somebody else has gone up. And now I just heard that one guy without his feet has climbed the Mount Everest. Or Nidama, that what's her name, Sunita, no? Who did she go alone or she went up with few people? Few people, no? So not any of these guys. I live a normal life. It's just that I treat my film career as a 9-to-5 job. I finish my thing. Hits or flops don't shake me up, don't upset me. As long as I know that I'm not tokoing my work and I'm giving it my best.
Do you think, though, that this is perhaps the best time of your career right now?
I don't know, I guess there are so many channels right now, so many interviews happening, so much awareness of film, plus publicizing. Then you have your PR teams who hype you up, and during a film they would just make you look like a god and all that stuff. But that's all media hype, that's all PR team and all that stuff. It's I've done this before also. Maine Pyar Kiya ran for 5 years. Hum Aapke Hain Kaun ran for another 5 years. So these films have actually done, like 3, 4 years, continuously running. Now the biggest hit runs for a month and a half, 2 months. So just that the collection is a lot more, theatres a lot more, business is growing.
Well, you're very, very understated about your own role, as I said earlier as well. But the fact is that, Dabangg wouldn't have been the hit that it became without you.
I think Dabangg would have done well with just about anybody. You'd have put a dog in my place, you'd have taken Dabangg to a different level.
All right. Well, do you have any plans to own an IPL team?
No, I'm scared of IP and PILs.
You're scared of IPL and PIS. All right, that's a good answer. Well, finally, Salman, Bollywood has come out in Kareem Morani's support. What are your views on him?
Like I said, till the time he's not proven guilty, he's not guilty.
Well, Salman, all the very best for Ready. We hope that that's another big blockbuster that's coming up for you. Thank you very much for joining us on the 9 o'clock news tonight.